Hi guys! Welcome to our new video! For those who don't know, I'm his sister and I will be doing the video with him today.
Okay, we're gonna start now. Okay, I'm gonna give you some information on the JBL Party Box Anchor Essential.
Guys, my brother is a fan of JBL speakers.
Yes, that's true. Okay, guys, let's go back on the information. Okay, guys, so this speaker has 100 watts of power. Second thing about this speaker is that if you want to bring it outside or something, and if it's raining, it doesn't matter if it gets splashes of water because it's IPX4.
Which means water resistant.
Last but not least, it's $300. So if you want to buy it, you can just buy it. Another fun fact about this speaker is that it's 6 hours of playtime. Okay, we're gonna turn the speaker on now. Let's do the sound test, everybody.
I hate it when you hiss and preach about your new messiah, cause your theories catch fire. I can't find no silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you read your speech, it's tiring. Enough is enough. I'm covering my ears like a kid. Will your words mean nothing? I go la la la. I'm turning up the fire when you speak. Cause if my heart can't stop it, I'll find a way to rock it. I go I'll find a way to rock it. I go.
How did it sound, guys? For me, it sounded really good. For those of you that don't know, you can use an app for JBL. And I'm gonna show it to you right now. Okay, so here's the JBL Party Box app. You need to press it so it can connect. You need to wait a little bit. Okay, here you have the battery, here the lights. You can change them so you can see how you're changing them. Here you can just turn off the light and the flash too, both. Here you can change the color on the speaker. Here you can control the bass, mids, and the treble. Here you can put the bass boost level on and the bass boost level 2. And here you have the music, but sometimes I try but it doesn't work, I don't know why. You have some DJ sounds here, look.
Ready.
Okay, here you have the bass for the microphone, echo, and the mids. Okay, and here you have some things about the lights and the buttons, okay. Here you have the things about the app and the software, which sometimes you have a software and you have to wait 2 minutes. You just need to press it. It says software and you press it, and then you need to wait 5 minutes, something like that. And here is the one that you can connect two speakers at the same time. So let me turn it on. Okay, so now it's searching for the devices, and here it tells you when it searches one, here it tells you which one it is. And if it's like a speaker that you can't connect them, like just in the button, you can just like press it and they connect at the same time. Okay, so that's the things on the app. That's it. Let me cover this up. Okay. So let's go out of here and we're done.
And that's it, everybody. If you like this video, please subscribe and get a like. Bye-bye.
Bye.